Where did the algorithm come from in mathematics? Who invented it? At first glance, the word algorithm may seem like a modern term, but in fact, the word is about 900 years old. The word comes from the name of the Persian mathematician Muhammad ibn Musa Al-Khwarizmi. Al-Khwarizmi was born in 780 in Uzbekistan, and his name indicates that he was from Khwarezm. He held a high position in the House of Wisdom or Beit-e-Hikmah. It was the residence of intellectuals in Baghdad in the 9th century. He played a very prominent role in the development of mathematics, astronomy, geography, and cartography. He wrote several famous books such as Kitab-ul-Hisab-i-Hindi concerning the Hindu art of reckoning. This book was rediscovered 300 years later and translated into Latin. This book introduced the West to Hindu Arabic numerals and eventually replaced unbearable Roman numerals. Al-Khwarizmi described the source and course of the Nile River in a book on geography. In his book, Al-Khwarizmi described the decimal and Hindu Arabic numeral systems as the basis for the numbers used in the world today. This system can even predict how we will vote and how we will fall in love. The little word algorithm, which was invented in the medieval Persian region, is slowly changing our lives. When Al-Khwarizmi's name was written in Latin on his book, it was written as algorithmi, and from here the word algorithm began to be used in mathematics. The origin of the word algebra is also the title of one of Al-Khwarizmi's books, Algebra. This book introduced the basic principles of algebra and methods for solving problems. His books revolutionized mathematics in the West. He explained how complex problems can be solved by breaking them down into simpler parts. In the Middle Ages, algorithms meant a system of decimal numbers. By the 13th century, they were used in the English language and were used by writers such as Chaucer. But in the late 19th century, algorithms came to be understood as a comprehensive, step-by-step method of solving a problem. In the early 20th century, British scientist and computer scientist Alan Turing investigated how, in theory, a machine could execute algorithmic instructions and solve complex mathematical problems. This was the beginning of the computer age. During World War II, he invented a machine he called the bomb. This machine used algorithms to try to break the Enigma code. Today, the term algorithm is common, although many times we do not fully understand what an algorithm does. Algorithms are everywhere, helping us get from point A to point B, performing internet searches and suggesting things for us to buy, watch and share, and helping us solve many problems in a simple way. It would not be wrong to say that Al-Khwarizmi is the world's greatest mathematician and philosopher who combined India, Arabia, and the West like a triangle in the knowledge of mathematics.